with a little resto mod feel to it. Just in it, unique, especially in classics. Good looking car, 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door post. Black on black, and this paint, it appears that it's wet. It shows very nice. You can see the reflection down the passenger side there. We'll check it out a little closer as we walk around it. Underneath the hood, balanced and dynoed 468 cubic inch V8. That's paired up with a Muncie 4-speed. Front bumper has been re-chromed. You can take a look at that. The grille, bright work. Headlight surrounds. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's see how the paint looks on that hood. Take a look at the still pictures. Every angle of this car, underside, interior, engine bay. Unique, classiccars.com. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call to inquire on this. Those are Wheelsmith chrome wheels, Redline radials, and let's take a look down this passenger side. And again, look at how straight these panels are. Interior was just refinished, custom, I would say dark charcoal or ebony vinyl interior. As you can see, very nice interior, carpeting, headliner, seat covers, all done in 2023. Get a look at the rear to the front on the passenger side. Take a look at the chrome on the rear. Couple little spots where the bright work had a little mark in it there. Chrome looks good on the bumper. And just one little spot over here yet too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. All right, a little more about this car. Independent front suspension. It is a solid rear axle, 364 rear gears. Had a painless 12-circuit wiring harness installed recently. Does have tilt column, new fuel system, 2-inch drop spindles up front, and new front and rear shocks, all those according to the previous owner. Let's take a look down the driver's side, rear to the front. And again, number 507-386-1726. Have any questions? UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it to see this one in person due to time or distance. Not a problem. I'm sure if somebody take a peek at it for you. I don't think anybody will be too disappointed in this car. All right, door panels also done, matching the interior seats, and you can see some new black carpeting. You'll see that all in the still pictures. Again, these seats, I mean, there's not hardly a wrinkle, wear mark, anything like that in the seats. Or you can see tilt column, factory tack, that Muncie 4-speed on the floor. We'll start it up here, let you hear it run just a bit too, and we'll take a look underneath the hood. Some of the things you're going to see underneath there, again, balanced and dynoed 468, aluminum heads and intake, Sanderson headers. So we're going to check that out in just a bit. And then stick around to the end of the video too, and we'll do a little driving video with this car for you so you can kind of get a virtual ride, so to speak, in it. See how it goes down the road. But first, see how it runs, how it sounds. Upset the blinker clicked on. There we go. See, working tack. This car sounds healthy. Little aftermarket gauge cluster, water pressure, water temperature, oil pressure, voltmeter. That wasn't cold start too, as you can see by the temp gauge. It's got an aftermarket retro sound style radio in it. I have not had that fire up. The rest of the dash looks good. This car sounds very good. Headliner's good. Check out the still pictures. You'll see the back seat also looks like it's new, which it is, just recovered, 2023. Door closes nice. Look at how it fits. Oh, and listen to this. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'll pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood open. So let me pause this a second, get the hood open, check out that engine bay, wrap up this video. There's the underside of the hood. Paint looks as good as the exterior of the car. Newer aluminum radiator. 2 electric puller fans. Must be a Griffin. Looks like brand-wise Hayes. Nice chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover, good looking engine bay. Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads. Say Performer RPM intake manifold. There's your headers, MSD system. Nice setup. '63 Chevrolet Bel Air, 2-door post, black on black. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air in black. Very nice black paint. Very nice black interior. Factory tachometer is working well. This is a 4 on the floor, 4-speed manual transmission. Our turn signal indicator is also working well. Lots of power in this car. Fun to drive. Very nice running car. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays straight. There's a little bit of slack in the wheel. About normal for this vintage car. Our fuel gauge is working, showing just under half a tank. Speedometer also working well. Under the dash we have a water temperature gauge reading 180. Oil pressure reading 70, 71, 72 PSI. Volts are showing about 12 and a half. Everything looking good. Comfortable bench seat. Very nice upholstery inside. Kind of a flat satin finish. I really like the look of that. And the carpet also very nice black. Plenty of torque in this motor. Taking this corner in 3rd gear. It doesn't even care. Corners well, it doesn't lean much in the corners at all. Super fun to drive, easy to drive, great looking, very good handling car. Gotta love the style of the 63 Bel Air. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.